on holding the cable. Yep. Is there? Let me see if I can pull out this or not. But let me take a look here. You see this here? So I hope I can pull it out, but I need to see it. See how we can do it. Hopefully. No, I had to disassemble the whole thing. Yep, there's no screw, no easy way. So, okay, we can do the frames. Just one side at a time. Remove the clips. Okay, okay, all right, okay. This side was. Let me see. There's no screw. Oh, I see. Alright, so one side at a time. This side was here. Yep. 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 Okay, it's coming out. Okay. So let me try this side. Okay. Take it out. There we go. Okay. It's coming out. Alright, it's coming out. So let me get a piece another close. Move that this side. Oh, like I said, if you want to, you can actually wear the glass. Okay, we're gonna the last side. Again, this screen's a little bit bigger, so it will take a little bit more effort. Okay. Okay, let's put it this side. All right. Almost there. Just be careful, you don't want to damage this frame. I mean the plastic frame. Alright, get one more here. Alright. Take it out. You see this? Now we're gonna see the markings right here, so no worry. When I say marking, I mean the diffusion sheet marking. So basically, oops, we're gonna get a whole stack of this diffusion sheet. What I usually does is that just place on the top of the liquid glass, so we can later on we can just put it right back. Don't worry about this is the marking, so won't mixed up. Now it's gonna be, we have to take it out. Let me see if any. I think we need to take out the plexiglass. I think. Yep. Yeah. Take out the plexiglass, maybe it's easier. Let me see, is there anything holding plexiglass? Nope. Okay. Oh, there's a tip on it. All right. You just have to slowly. You see this? I want to show you. I just stick the flat head right here. See that? Because they stick there so long. So in that case, we're gonna take it out, the top one. Oops! Wow, this one's already, see? You see this already broken? It's burned now. See that? Wow. So we're gonna clean it later on. Okay. Whole bunch of dirt. We're gonna do this side. Okay. Don't worry about, you see there's a white plastic. That means the way the wire is coming out from. So we don't have to do any marking at this point. So we just have to lift up this plexiglass a little bit. And then we're gonna push it out. Okay, so it's done. All right, so next video I'm going to show you how to mount the LED. Alright, so this is the original lamp. We're going to mount the LED right back to the same reflectors in the center, because total of 6 lamps. To remove it, it's pretty easy, you know, just align, stuff like that. But I want to show you a trick. Since this UV series is not the exact length of the LED, so what we do is that you see this plastics, rubber boots. So what we do is that we're gonna use one LED strip aligned with this end. So this one will leave short. The other one we're gonna align with this end. So that way the brightness will even, you don't see a little bit darker spots. Okay, so basically just remove this and mount right back.